Introducing the Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Portable Gas Grill with Rolling Cart. The powerful gas grill that's large enough for cooking at home, but ultra portable for taking on the road. Setup for this versatile gas grill is a breeze. Just roll it to your desired location, lift and guide the grill to its cooking height, and lock it into place. Open the lid and slide out the two stainless steel side tables and you're ready to grill. And just like your favorite sports stars, the All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill will perform best under pressure. The bigger the game, the better the performance. With its 15,000 BTU stainless steel burner, 245 square inch cast iron cooking grate, and precision temperature gauge, this grill will impress your fellow tailgaters with its power and ability to cook a wide variety of foods. The Rollaway Gas Grill is also the perfect portable grill for your weekend family camping trips. The large wheels allow for easy transport over the more rugged terrain you may find at campsites. And while the grill is compact enough to fit in your car with your equipment, it offers ample grilling space for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Grilling at the beach has never been better. No other gas grill could move so easily through the sand and still deliver the cooking performance promised by the Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill. Whether you're grilling for 2 or 20, you can be assured this grill will ignite easily and reach ideal grilling temperatures within minutes. Packing up the Rollaway couldn't be easier. Simply release the lock and the spring-loaded leg assembly gently collapses your grill for transport and storage. And unlike large, full-size grills, the Rollaway easily moves from place to place at your home, so you can always cook where the action is. The Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill. Finally, a portable grill that's made for real grilling connoisseurs who want to be at the center of the party. And with a trusted name like Cuisinart, you know that this grill will deliver a great grilling experience anywhere you take it.